Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cecil County in northeast Maryland. This includes the city of Elton until 7:15 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles west of Conoingo, or 25 miles south of Lancaster, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Rock Springs around 6:30 p.m., at Bordeaux and Conoingo around 6:35 p.m., Richardsmere around 6:40 p.m., Woodlawn, West Nottingham and Rising Sunshine around 6:50 p.m., Farmington around 6:55 p.m., Charlestown and Bayview around 7:10 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, large hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, heavy rain will occur with these storms and cause low-lying and poor drainage flooding. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland and southern New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following county: Cecil County, Maryland,